Hello my friend, I'm recording this video to show how to configure our TUYA video doorbell. First, we need to connect the smart video doorbell with power and connect to the network. First, this is a connectors. Connect hub here. And this one is for the joy contact for unlock. And these connectors, we have one is the DC for power supply, which is 12 voltage. And this is for the network connection. First, this is a assist control power supply we have connected up. This is a DC head. Connect with this. So you will hear a promote sound. Means that the system has been connected with power. And yeah, that means start up successfully. After that, we will connect this network to the routers.
Network connection is successful.
Then we can start to set up from the app. After we hear the promote sound of internet connection successfully, then we can start to set the TUYA Smart app from the mobile phone. First, we open the app. And first, if you are new users, you need to register this app. And I have registered already. From here, we can tap add device. There will pop up a tips. So we need to setting the location. After we finish the settings, we find here is the security and video surveillance. Find the first one, smart camera, Wi-Fi. And a really important one is that we need to switch the QR code into cable mode. After that, we select this and type the next. Then we will find the smart doorbell by searching from the internet. Add these devices, and it usually takes within 2 minutes to finish the config settings.
Device connected successfully.
Then the promote set the device connection successfully from the auto station. Then we can rename this. Any name you need. Smart doorbell is the default. Save. Done. So you can check the video of me, and I am recording this video. When we back, after we have added these devices successfully, now we can call him from the outdoor video doorbell.
Please hold on.
And it will pop up a calling notification from the mobile phone. We will pick up this phone, and you can see the live video of me, and I am recording this video. And you can see this interface. First one is snapshot, and the third one is recording video. It's a manual recording, and we can end it from here. This is for the
door is open.
Remote unlock.
Please come in.
And the last one is the album, which is the photos with snapshot and the videos we recorded. From this is the microphone, and now I'm closing. This is a brief introduction, and thank you for your watching. I wish you can set it successfully by this video.